Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel with an eggless Jowar banana cake recipe which is packed with all healthy ingredients including sorghum flour, banana, apples and nuts. The gluten-free cake recipe is oil-free and an answer to the most commonly asked question: is baking with jowar flour easy? To make healthy oil-free gluten-free chocolate cake with jowar, you need 2 bananas. Mash them completely and stir in flax meal. Please check the complete list of ingredients in description. Add a hint of warm spices to the eggless jowar banana cake. I have included homemade ginger powder, homemade cinnamon powder. Now stir in half cup of homemade applesauce. I have used it as a substitute to fat oil in the jowar jaggery cake. Now let's sweeten the cake with half cup of jaggery powder. Mix everything well. If you want, add 1 sachet of coffee powder along with 2 tablespoons of cacao or cocoa powder. Mix well. Cacao is pure while cocoa is refined. Now it's time to add the star of the show: 1 cup of jowar atta along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. You may coat nuts with some dry flour. I'll post the video on my quick recipe of soaking nuts for cakes and cookies for Xmas. Stay tuned for that. Preheat air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and cooker for 10 minutes with a salt layer. Add half cup of water to set the batter right. Fold the batter and add nuts. Mix, but do not overmix. It will be a thick batter. Pour the batter in a greased and floured baking dish. I have baked the cake in cooker and air fryer. Tap the tin and bake for 45 to 50 minutes in air fryer. In cooker, spread a layer of sand and preheat for 10 minutes on high flame. Bake the jowar cake in cooker for 30 to 40 minutes or longer on low to medium heat. Let the cakes cool before decorating them with homemade chocolate spread, which is also vegan. You need half cup of soaked cashews along with half cup of dates, a pinch of salt, and you need soaked dates, and 1/4 teaspoon of organic vanilla powder, a drizzle of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. Blend it all together and add 1/4 cup of water to make it a thick sauce-like consistency. Spread on the cake once cooled. Decorate with banana and seeds and refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours before slicing these yummy pieces of jowar banana cake. Enjoy a healthy oil-free jowar cake which is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free and refined sugar-free too. Stay tuned for more healthy recipe ideas with Ravneet Bhalla. Take care, bye bye, see you soon with yet another healthy recipe.